This writer, I feel glory. This writer in this historic book, this historic stanza of the 24th Psalm is King David, the ultimate poet himself. And Psalm 24 was written as an ode to the Ark of the Covenant. See, when we think of ark, we think of Noah's ark. But the Ark of the Covenant was a holy temple. If you weren't right, you might have not wanted to never touch the Ark of the Covenant, because it symbolized the Lord of hosts' holiness. See, we got it made now because the church should resemble the Ark of the Covenant. And if we ain't careful, we will come to church a hot mess. We will come to church unrepentant. We will come to church stinking and nasty and think that we finna give God a praise. But God is saying, how dare you come before me, and I am a holy God, and you don't think that you need to stop all the power, which is Jesus himself. God is saying the church has lost its way.
Come on, God. Help us, Lord.
We in church with the wrong